Here on World Rodeo Gardening, we talk about mental health a lot, and it's great to be able to walk through woodland and think about just looking at the fauna and see what's going on in the ground. And as we wander, look at those little tiny toadstools. Aren't they fantastic? Look at them. Tiny little things. Do you think there's fairies at the bottom of our garden? I don't know, but we'll wander on, and it's relaxing. I don't know whether you can see, there's a sort of mist in the woodland there. It's a pathway that we're going to cross in a moment. But just think, that's what it can be like. The sun just trying to peek through the mist this morning. It's relaxing. It's very, very relaxing. Just to have a wander and see what else we can see. Some of the trees have had little culverts dug round them to keep out of the way. And then up here we've got hollies. Look at the hollies. We're coming towards some hollies. Look at the berry on those hollies. Absolutely fantastic. It's a sign that autumn is here. The acers here haven't quite turned yet, have they? Which is quite surprising. Down here, look at that. More mushrooms growing, or toadstools as we should call them. Toadstools everywhere. Just leave them alone. Let nature look after itself. More toadstools in the leafy areas at the back of this woodland area. Sycamores to the rear, hollies to the front. There's some Prunus lusitanica. A really lovely bush. Plenty of those at Versailles if you ever go there. A lot of those are actually used in Versailles, shaped. More woodland area, leaf. Crunch through the leaf. Can you hear it? I hope you can, as we crunch through the leaf. Now here's an interesting one, because here we've got a dead hawthorn, but to the bottom of it, look at that toadstool. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful marking. Just leave well alone. And then we wander down here through another area. Plenty of leaf dropping, but not as much as we would expect at this time of the year. Sun's still trying to pick lots of rhododendron. They're rhododendron ponticum, which of course is now classed as a weed, but they're a great ground cover for banks, etc. And we just wander through. Just take your time. Don't hurry. Don't hurry at all. More leaf. Kick up the leaf. Kick it up a bit. Kick it up. Enjoy it. I must just show you these over here. These are some hazels, and these were only planted a few years ago. And these are hazelnuts. A great plant to grow because they do produce nuts, which of course feed these squirrels, and they're actually coming into flower, which is a little early for them. Can you see? Normally February they come into flower, but they seem to be producing flower now, so that's a bit unusual. But still, onward through our woodland. Hawthorns on that side, and then we got deep conifers with, look at that area here. Look at that, to wander through all those deep leaf, so that we can kick up that leaf and see what it looks like. I wanted to show you, but I can't find it. I saw oh, here it is. Yeah, I must just show you at the end of my little walk, a little unusual coloured toadstool. And this one I just spied. Look at that. I see it's been eaten. Yes, so we've looked at that, and as we just walk back along the water side here, water's very good, very relaxing, and again good for your mental health. So take a walk in the countryside, along a river, around a lake. Look at the colour of these lovely corners giving off great strength of colour, and the sun just trying to peek through here. There's a glimpse of water there as well, with the shadows coming through. What could be more delightful? So they are. Think of health, think of nature, and just start to get out there in the countryside and enjoy the autumn colours. It'll do your health the world of good. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.